Yes, good morning. Yesterday I posted a video about Bitcoin that is about to explode, and that's still valid, right? We didn't have any movement yesterday because it's the second week of the month, but it's still Saturday, right? Saturday usually shows us that there's a low volume, but Sundays can also be explosive. One thing you have to remember is that you want to be prepared, right? You want to be prepared before the market explodes, right? So if you stick to this video, I'll show you my model for the coming days. The ones I take, it's a model with a 900% potential profit. That means that I'm not trading at the moment. I'm waiting. Yesterday I closed my position with 170% gains, but we're consolidating. There's low volume, but I'm expecting a liquidity sweep before they actually go up, right? That's how they do it. They want to grab sell side liquidity before they actually pump. So as that said, guys, let's go to the chart. So what you can see now at this moment is that we're watching at BTC to USDT again. And yesterday we had some sideways moves, right? I jumped in on this 786 here to eventually cash out somewhere here, right? But as I promised you guys, I give you my setup for the coming days. As you guys can see now at the moment, I made my setup for the coming days. I'm expecting a liquidity sweep to the downside. That's 93K, 93.8K, a little bit higher because you don't want to miss the ride up, right? Sometimes they sweep, but I'm expecting that they will grab sell side liquidity here before they actually go up, right? So I put my limit order at 93.8K, so a little bit higher, like 93.11K. I put my stop loss somewhere around 91.886, so that's underneath this wick, the last liquidity sweep. What you can see now is that we have bearish order flow again. When you grab the moving average with it, then you can see that we're losing the 200, right? Once we lose the 200, you can expect downside. So, this is just retail movement, what you see now at the moment. There's not really happening. In the trading world, we also call this the idiot box because you're just waiting for something that is not going to happen, and usually that this is happening on Saturdays, right? But Sundays are very important because they want to create a weekly bottom or a weekly top before the next week will start, right? So usually what you see on Sundays when you backtest this also is that they create a weekly bottoms or weekly tops. So I'm expecting price to come to this this entry level 93.8K. So if you want to trade this trade with me, Maxi provides 200x leverage. This setup is based on 200x. So when you have a stop loss of 1.32% and you multiply this with 200, that means that you can lose somewhere around let's say almost 300%. So what you need to do is if you want to risk only 5% of your account, then you should put somewhere around 1.5% of your total account in this trade to lose max 5%, right? In my group, I have a tool to calculate your risk management. I made a tool in Excel. So, if you want to level up your trading, go to my link cryptogainers.nl and you receive a link to the Discord group when you fill in the form, and you're very welcome. If you want to trade this trade together with me the coming days, go to Maxi, link is in description. They give a bonus up to 8K when you deposit, But remember, only put in 5% of your total account, and we have a potential return of more than 900% for the coming days. You know, I showed you guys that I make crazy gains. So if you want to trade this trade with me, this is a new video. You know, this is a new video where I share my TA with you guys and my setup so you can follow my trades on a daily basis. So that's something new, and let's see how if it works out, right? So as that said, guys, I'm expecting a liquidity sweep to the downside to eventually go to TP3. TP3 is somewhere around the 786 on the daily, right? So as that said, guys, I wish you all a very nice day. Let's make some gains the coming days and stay tuned because I will post more videos like this. See you later.